Condensed milk, a pantry staple in many kitchens, has a rich history and a multitude of uses that make it indispensable in both everyday cooking and special recipes. It is a testament to the ingenuity of food preservation, a method that has been refined over centuries to ensure that food remains safe and nutritious for longer periods. This thick, sweetened milk product is a versatile ingredient, finding its way into a variety of dishes, from decadent desserts to comforting beverages and even some savory recipes. It adds richness and sweetness to desserts, beverages, and even savory dishes, enhancing flavors and providing a creamy texture that is hard to replicate with other ingredients. Its unique creamy texture and concentrated flavor have made it a beloved ingredient worldwide, cherished by chefs and home cooks alike for its ability to transform simple recipes into extraordinary culinary experiences. But have you ever stopped to wonder how this humble can of sweetness comes to be? The process behind its creation is as fascinating as the product itself. The journey from fresh milk to the shelf of your local grocery store is a fascinating one, involving a series of carefully orchestrated steps that ensure quality and safety at every stage. Each step in the production process is meticulously planned and executed, from the initial collection of fresh milk to the final packaging of the condensed milk, ensuring that the product you buy is of the highest quality. Condensed milk is made by removing a significant portion of water from cow's milk. This is done through a process of evaporation, where the milk is heated to remove water content, concentrating the milk's natural sugars and proteins. Sugar is then added to create a thick, sweet syrup. This not only enhances the flavor but also acts as a preservative, allowing the milk to be stored for longer periods without spoiling. The removal of water not only concentrates the flavor and sweetness, but also acts as a natural preservative, making condensed milk a long-lasting and reliable ingredient in any kitchen. This allows condensed milk to be stored for long periods without refrigeration, making it a valuable resource in areas where fresh milk is scarce or refrigeration is limited. In many parts of the world, condensed milk is a lifeline, providing essential nutrients and a source of energy in places where fresh milk is not readily available. The process of making condensed milk is an industrial marvel, combining traditional techniques with modern technology to produce a product that is both delicious and safe to consume. It combines traditional techniques with modern technology, ensuring that the condensed milk you enjoy today is made with the same care and attention to detail as it was in the past. Each step is crucial in ensuring the final product's quality, safety, and deliciousness. From the careful selection of raw ingredients to the rigorous quality control measures in place, every aspect of production is designed to deliver the best possible product. Let's take a closer look at the incredible journey of condensed milk from farm to table and appreciate the effort and expertise that goes into making this sweet staple a part of our daily lives. The journey of condensed milk begins at dairy farms, where cows graze on pastures. These pastures are often meticulously maintained to ensure that the cows have access to the best possible nutrition. The lush green fields provide a serene environment for the cows, contributing to their overall well-being and the quality of the milk they produce. The cows are milked regularly, and the fresh milk collected forms the foundation of this beloved product. The milking process is a crucial step, and it is carried out with great care to ensure that the milk remains uncontaminated and fresh. The quality of the milk is paramount, and farmers adhere to strict standards of hygiene and animal care to ensure that the milk is of the highest quality. This includes using state-of-the-art milking equipment that is regularly sanitized and maintained. The milk is then collected and transported in refrigerated tankers to the processing plant, where it will undergo a series of transformations. These tankers are specially designed to keep the milk at a constant, cool temperature, preventing any bacterial growth during transit. Upon arrival at the factory, the milk is carefully inspected to ensure that it meets the required standards. This inspection process is thorough and includes multiple checks to verify the milk's quality. This includes checking its temperature, odor, and appearance. Lab technicians use advanced testing methods to ensure that the milk is free from contaminants and meets all safety standards. Any milk that does not meet the standards is rejected to maintain the quality of the final product. This rejected milk is disposed of responsibly, ensuring that it does not enter the production process. The accepted milk is then pumped into large storage tanks, where it awaits the next stage of its transformation. These storage tanks are made of stainless steel to prevent any contamination, and are kept at optimal temperatures. The transportation of milk from farms to factories is a carefully controlled process. The logistics involved are complex, ensuring that the milk reaches the factory in the best possible condition. Refrigerated tankers ensure that the milk is kept at a constant, cool temperature to prevent bacterial growth. The temperature control systems in these tankers are highly advanced, allowing for precise monitoring and adjustments. This is crucial to maintain the freshness and quality of the milk throughout its journey. The transfer process is also carefully monitored to ensure that the milk remains uncontaminated. The use of specialized tankers and temperature control systems highlights the importance of freshness and hygiene in the production of condensed milk. Every step of the journey, from the farm to the factory, is designed to preserve the quality of the milk, ensuring that the final product is both delicious and safe for consumption. Before the milk can be transformed into condensed milk, it undergoes two crucial processes: filtration and pasteurization. These processes are the backbone of ensuring that the milk is safe for consumption and of the highest quality. Filtration and pasteurization are essential steps in the milk processing journey. They play a vital role in removing impurities and ensuring the safety of the final product. Without these steps, the milk could contain harmful bacteria and unwanted particles that could pose health risks to consumers. Filtration is the first step in this process. It involves passing the milk through a series of fine filters. These filters are designed to trap any remaining debris or impurities that may have been present in the raw milk. This step is crucial because it ensures that the milk is clean and free from any physical contaminants. The filtration process is meticulous. The milk is passed through multiple layers of fine filters, each designed to catch different sizes of particles. This ensures that even the smallest impurities are removed, leaving the milk as pure as possible. The filters are regularly checked and maintained to ensure they are functioning correctly and efficiently. Once the milk has been thoroughly filtered, it moves on to the pasteurization process. Pasteurization is a heat treatment process that kills harmful bacteria that may be present in the milk. This step is essential for ensuring the milk is safe to consume. During pasteurization, the milk is heated to a specific temperature for a specific period. This precise control is crucial because it ensures that all harmful bacteria are effectively eliminated without compromising the nutritional value and taste of the milk. The temperature and time are carefully monitored to achieve the best results. Pasteurization not only ensures the safety of the milk, but also extends its shelf life. By eliminating harmful bacteria, the milk can be stored for longer periods without spoiling. This is particularly important for condensed milk, which needs to have a longer shelf life for distribution and storage. These processes, while seemingly simple, are essential for ensuring the quality and safety of the final product. The combination of filtration and pasteurization guarantees that the milk is free from impurities and harmful bacteria, making it safe for consumption. The use of sophisticated filtration systems and precise pasteurization methods highlights the industry's commitment to providing consumers with a safe and wholesome product. Advanced technology and rigorous quality control measures are employed to ensure that every batch of milk meets the highest standards. The milk, now free from impurities and harmful bacteria, is ready for the next stage of its transformation. It will undergo further processing to become condensed milk, a product that is enjoyed by many around the world. The journey from raw milk to condensed milk is a testament to the importance of filtration and pasteurization in the dairy industry. The next step in the journey of condensed milk is evaporation, a process that transforms the milk from its liquid form into a thick, concentrated syrup. Evaporation involves heating the milk under controlled conditions to remove a significant portion of its water content. This process is carefully controlled to ensure that the milk's essential nutrients and flavors are retained while achieving the desired consistency. Large, stainless steel evaporators are used to heat the milk gently. As the milk is heated, water evaporates, leaving behind a more concentrated milk product. The evaporators are designed to maximize heat transfer while minimizing the risk of scorching or damaging the milk. The process is carefully monitored by skilled technicians who adjust the temperature and pressure as needed. The evaporation process not only concentrates the milk, but also enhances its sweetness. As water evaporates, the natural sugars present in the milk become more concentrated, resulting in a naturally sweeter product. This natural sweetness is one of the characteristic features of condensed milk.